What is going on, YouTube? Patrick the Picker here. It's Saturday morning, but I don't know how well you can see it. It is pouring down rain outside. Gonna go to a couple estate sales. I don't know, you guys. It stinks. There were so many sales. They all got canceled. Estate sales are gonna be open because they're inside the house. I don't know. Boys, what do you think? Are we gonna do well? They're not listening at all to me. What a surprise. All right, let's get out there and see what we can find. Good morning. You guys are open in the rain. I love it.
We're open in the rain. Please get away.
You guys had mentioned in your ad some video games.
Oh, the last early person got them.
I see that there's some Wii stuff over here still.
There's the balance board and just like the charger accessories.
Oh, last early person got them.
Yeah. There wasn't a whole lot of that because they were empty nesting. The millennials took that most of that with them.
That's pretty good though, right? You don't want stuff staying behind.
You know, so there's charger controllers.
What I could really use is a controller. If you'd be interested in selling me just the controller, I would be interested in buying just the controller, and then the rest of the stuff can go with the board. Or I can buy it all if you want.
Brenda, what did you have on your Wii accessories?
I'll take it all for $5. It's okay.
$5? Yeah, give it
I'll
away to
take
your
it all.
friends.
Okay, I will take it all.
Yep, all of that.
You got it. I will take it all.
And that is some kind of Webkins trading cards.
Interesting. I've never even seen Webkins trading cards before.
It was early 90s, and somebody did market research and figured out girls weren't playing video games. So you bought a stuffed animal.
Yep.
And it came with a code.
Okay.
And that got you a month of, like, you had a little stuffed penguin, and you ran your penguin around a little game and acquired things. And at the end of the month, you're like, no, Mommy, I don't want to lose my house.
Right.
Penguining
I got to keep buying more stuffed animals.
Subscription. Yeah. And then the girls were hooked. So.
That's too fun.
Oh,
I'm good. I'm just a mess.
because this is in the way. All right.
Elmo.
Do me the favor of, in the kitchen are a lot of paper bags. But they're in a paper bag, you just gotta get in, so you just put them in this. These. You don't have to like take them out of that. They're there in the, or just inside the dining room door, one or the other. We have this random tile here, which was the walkway between the two sides. Sorry, buddy.
Sock monkey. This guy's pretty neat, actually. He's from Where the Wild Things Are.
Already sold, they're looking for more.
Okay.
Welcome.
Everything I set up inside, I see.
Mostly, yeah. It's spread out, but wait.
You're optimistic that we can spread outside.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's good.
That guy's cool too. Alright. Jellycat. He's a little bit beat up, but we'll try him. What is this guy?
Need to get a table set up.
Mr. Magoo?
Okay, because it's just like on top
He's in
of
bad
everything,
shape.
because that's what the first lady wanted to see. She bought a fair amount of your mom's.
Alright, let's try him.
Okay.
My mother is Riley. So,
Do you have another table?
well, we were gonna use the
That's Cabbage
one up
Patch.
there, so we're gonna pull it over to get the light off. Good morning, morning, welcome. Let's just
How are
wait
you?
for it. Okay.
Okay. These are interesting. Is there a door there? There's a door there. Well, those are probably, I think. Briar horses.
Okay.
I have no idea what the difference would be.
The boiler, right?
Well, it's perfect for being in a garage. Right?
Harry
Oh, yeah.
Potter
Oh,
Norbert.
yes. At least we have a divorce.
And a couple of briars.
Picked up my favorite stuffed animal.
Which one?
They're wild things.
I love him.
Yeah.
My boys are gonna love him now too.
Yeah.
So, unless if they don't love him, somebody I know will love him.
Yeah, my
So,
daughter never really did. So, but I thought it was the best story.
it's super interesting, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Well, you did really well.
so far I've got quite the pile going on here, and like
Okay.
really enjoying your like stuffies out there. So I'm
Yeah.
just gonna, I don't know. What do you think? Can I put a pile up here?
Were you on the box?
Sure, that'd be great. Tree.
Okay.
Looks like Felicity. She's very loose. She would need to go to the doctor. This one. See? She's on ice skates. Where she stands. Oh, that one stands. You were going for something very specific there, weren't you?
I'm MacGyvering the heck out of this.
These guys have been played with quite a bit, haven't they? Their legs are very loose.
Samantha has.
Yeah.
Felicity not so much.
Which one's Felicity?
This is Felicity.
That one's Felicity. Her legs were very loose. Is that normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because they
How much? I didn't see a price on Felicity, but only on Samantha. So
Felicity is 25.
25.
She has everything but her one sock, including her shift, which is often, and both shoes, which often go missing. Her
Okay.
book.
I saw the book in the box.
This is her horse Penny.
Oh my gosh.
Here's all his tack. This is her Windsor riding
I saw
chair
that. That's so interesting.
with her teacup.
Teacup. Oh my
This
gosh.
is miniature.
I saw Mini Felicity. Yep.
She has a holiday dress. And then Samantha is I think it's Samantha. She's Scandinavian, so she has, I don't even remember what this is called. 'Cause it's my friends.
It's like a.
But they wear, it's a headdress.
It's a headdress. Oh my
It's
gosh.
like an Advent wreath, but
That's
they wear
super
it, they do a
interesting.
procession
I love it.
through town. And then these are just general American Girl
Yep.
outfits. That's her riding outfit for Penny's horse. Ice cream table and chairs is sized for that size
Felicity's
doll,
horse
and then
Penny.
it's
My goodness.
random, some handmade items.
I think I'm gonna take both dolls.
Okay.
You are doing so well.
Pretty.
I am doing so well.
Yes.
This is a good sale. I thought maybe it would be, even though I missed the video games. So
Yeah.
Well, we had like 3.
okay, that's not too bad. You put them in the ad, so it's like that attracts all of us collectors.
I thought I was going
So-
to find more when I went, but apparently
Do these
those are DVDs, aren't they?
They
Oh, the
are
Sims.
video games,
Oh, those are
actually.
the Sims, yeah.
I may take those 10 for all. I'll think about those.
Okay.
There might be a
Somebody
couple there
grabbed
that
the
I
wee
need.
bundle
So
already.
that's okay. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna take the books now and see what I can find over here. Now we gotta see if we can find something for my kids.
I don't know how big the daughters are, but my mother made matching dresses.
Oh yeah.
My daughter and Felicity.
Oh, how
So
interesting.
there's a,
I have no idea.
like an eight-year-old-ish.
Sure.
set and a size Easter dress and another one. Yes.
I'll separate these. You want me to put them over on the table or back in the
Just set them.
Oh, is there more over here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Going to the table, but
You're a good looker.
You gotta be. It's like fun in the fun of it. So
Yeah.
piano and vocal. That's interesting. Okay. Do one more quick look. All right, my friend.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's do a total. Yep. So we'll get
my mental map.
$5 on the Wii stuff,
5.
and then I've got $40 in dolls here.
Okay. So 45.
I got. I didn't see how much the tie was.
41. You need 46.
Okay. This was 20 for this whole box.
Okay. 46.
No,
66.
it says I think it said 20 for the whole box, right?
Okay.
All right. So now we're at 66. All right. And then I got Harry Potter for 5.
60.
71 plus 3 $2 items for 77.
Very good. Yep. Do you need change?
I could use a little change. There's 80.
Okay. And
So-
I might have 3 in my pocket. Not the These could be yours for less.
No problem.
Say 5.
All right, let's do 5.
Okay.
Well, you guys were good to me, so
Yeah, we're mostly again wanting to be done with
there you go.
stuff. Okay. Now we mind the rest of this.
All right, you guys did pretty good at the first sale of the day. Got those 2 American Girl dolls, some stuffed animals, which I usually don't buy, but one of them was a jelly cat, which I know to look out for. And then some other fun items. We'll see how we do. Let's get into the next one. We're gonna see. Am I too early, you guys?
No, come on.
There's not too many sales, so it's like I've tried to pace my morning, but it didn't work out.
All
Dude, look at this. Look at this.
Oh, thanks.
right.
That's awesome.
All right. I found what I wanted.
How much was it? You got another one?
Super cheap. If I would get one free.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. I apologize, I got a late start today. I'm still kind of setting up.
It's
but-
early. I'm the early one here,
Already
not
know, I
you,
don't even know
right?
what freaking time
It's
it is right now.
8:35.
Okay,
I was
you are
way
early.
earlier than I
Okay,
wanted
perfect.
to be, but this is what time I got here. So
Yeah, hey, you're welcome. Take a look at what I got out. Still working on pricing, but if you want to know, just
what
ask.
was it? Let's see. You said board games in your ad.
Yeah, I got some here. Still working on. I got a bunch more actually to come out. So your classic ones, we'll do
Yeah, I
Monopoly,
see that.
Candyland, $1. The ones that are a little more like name brand, Star Wars, Walking Dead, will do $3.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
And I'll start pulling out some more if you're interested in board games. I have a ton.
For sure.
What? Come in here? What? Well, we gotta go soon, buddy, because I have to go. You know, my little toenails prettied up. With she's at Katie yet? Yeah, she's from.
Yes, oh yeah.
Yeah.
She's a big fan.
She is a big fan. She
Yeah.
was telling me all about. What?
Munchkin and all sorts of good stuff. Bang. Oh, I love Bang.
Yeah? Yeah, the Walking Dead version. I don't even think I ever played it.
Medieval Academy Rattlesnake.
Yeah, so it's like magnets. They gotta try to keep on the board without letting them snap together. It's pretty cool.
That scared me. What's your favorite game, Molly?
Me?
Are we selling it? I bet they're not selling your favorite game. I mean,
Yeah, those are tucked away nice and safe.
That one?
Taboo. Okay.
Oh,
I got a few more. Are you looking for more modern stuff? I got one more small pile of modern stuff.
All right.
You guys got a couple Monopolies. You know what I don't see is
That one looks
Guess
sweet.
Who. Oh yeah, I do. Here it is. That's a great one. I love this one.
Guess who? Oh my
Guess
gosh, that
Who,
takes me
yeah.
back, huh?
That was my favorite game to play when I had to go to summer camp. I
Guess
did
Who?
not like summer camp.
No, honestly, like the stuff that I'm gonna ask for is gonna be like hard no from you, right? Like Dark
Yeah, right.
Tower, right?
Oh, no.
Right? Like that kind of stuff, right?
No.
Of course not.
If I had
See,
it,
I
I'd
told
be
you.
keeping that.
Of course you are. Of course you are.
Yeah.
But it's like that's what I'm looking for, right? Of
Yeah,
course.
I hear ya.
I saw it one time. The guy wanted $250 for it. I was like, it's not a bad price. It's not a good price either.
No,
so.
exactly. You're looking for a deal.
I feel like
Then-
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have anything crazy. I mean, you know,
Alright.
Whitechapel is great.
This is one I've heard of. I haven't heard of these two, but this is a big box, so that starts to get my attention. Where
Yeah,
I'm like, oh,
Fantasy
that's
Flight, big like area control war game. You already
Okay.
know your little pieces. You're fighting over the board. Yeah, that's a good
saw.
one.
Yeah, I saw the label.
Yeah,
I'm like,
Fantasy
okay.
Flight, you know it's good.
Well, it's happy. I'm happy.
Yeah, I saw Fantasy Flight on Rattlesnake too, and I was like,
Yeah.
One I gotta go though.
all right, I'm gonna take Rattlesnake because that
Okay,
looks neat.
cool.
That one might have to sit in my collection for a couple years until my kids are old enough.
I'll try to catch up with you later.
Yes, please
I mean,
do.
we're gonna get one
I
dinner
know,
or
you're
something,
busy.
whatever.
We'll try to get together.
Well, today is actually the one day that I have.
Banana.
Heavy.
This is some neat stuff.
I'll help you later.
Okay, have fun.
Mandy, why not?
I think my dinner's
Mike, I'm gonna come out later. I gotta get my bag. I forgot the thing.
Okay, yeah. No problem, bud.
Will they be back?
Ramon might be back a little later. I don't think Katie will be back.
How about for Blu-rays?
So, no Blu-rays, all DVD copies, just in the Blu-ray cases.
Interesting.
Yeah, I kept the Blu-rays for myself. But I figure, rather than throw them away, might as well sell them.
Sure.
So, $1 each,
Yep.
7 for 5, 15 for 10.
Okay, even the Harry Potter's all
Yep.
DVD. Is
Yep,
it? Was
all
this the DVD
yeah.
set or
It's
was it the
was
Blu-ray?
big collector set. It did have the Blu-ray.
It was the Blu-rays.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the DVD set. Harry Potter, Harry Potter.
Very interesting.
I want to play with Lego Harry Potter.
Oh, I know you do, buddy. I know you do.
Are you selling some Lego Harry Potter?
No, no Legos. Oh, you'd kill me if I sold any Legos. Please, we're holding on to those like gold.
I'll be like this.
Yeah, you'd be big mad.
I'm like, we went in 2018, so I may have to get the 18 one for us.
Oh, nice. Yeah, fill a hole in the gap. That's awesome.
It's too new, you said?
Yeah.
All right, I'll grab a couple of new ones for the wife and see if she likes them or not.
perfect. Yeah.
It's like easy to do. All right, well, I think that will do it, my friend.
Okay, so let's see what we got.
You just tell me what it is and I'll pay you. I may have to do 2 trips with the cube.
Oh, that's game, right?
All right, so we'll do 5 for this,
Okay,
5 for that.
all right.
Let's see, these are both, so we're gonna be 3, 3.
Oh, that was
Yeah, we'll do 2 for this one. 1, 1, 1, 1. So 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then that's a quarter. So let's throw that in there, $12. So so plus 12. So I'm 22 for that, and this stack. Yeah?
I think that's 22.
Looks right to me.
Cool,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Yeah, you want help?
Sure,
Okay.
let's do it. If you want to take the cube, maybe I
So
can do that.
these are.
All right, you guys, a couple of board games there, a couple puzzles, 1 CD. I think I left my snow globe behind, which means I'll have to go back up and get it. What else? I got the cube for the boys, and I got some toys for the boys. So honestly, I don't think I did super great. I got the 2 Stratego games, the Star Wars one and the Lord of the Rings one. Might do okay with them, never really know. Usually, in my mind, they're selling for like $20 to $30 each, if all the pieces are there, which you never know. All right, we'll get into the next one.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Going already? I thought so.
Yep.
Okay, back for more?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. It is humid, and it's not raining, and
Let the dishes. Relax it. Oh, right there. Very good set. There's 5 of those. And 1 of those. With more spoons. It's That's weird.
Yeah, I'm covering around the entire house.
Walco. Another Walco. $2 a knife. What is this one? Nordic? It is Nordic. They want 5. Alright, Nordic's coming with me.
For $30, you could have a hard.
I don't know much about
I wasn't in a hurry.
It's very good. Thanks so much. 15 on that one. I think that's gonna be a yes. Off the camera, you guys. I'm sorry. That is exactly like the one we have, and we always need more. Look at that. That's maybe it's curved. Interesting.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. All right. I got the Villaware
If you
waffler.
could just bring it right
Sure.
here so I can. Yeah, right there. Helpful. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
It's not a lot.
Okay, your total is $22.33. Thank you. Out of 25.
Earrings or steps?
Do you want a bag or?
I think I'm okay, but thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. We'll see you at the next one.
Yes.
All right, you guys. My camera was only on for 11 minutes, so I definitely flew through that place. Wow, just not a lot of stuff at that estate sale. It looked like they had been cleaned out by some of the really good stuff, and it's only like 9:45. They've been open since 9. People I saw coming out with boxes of stuff, like that's when there's good prices, you know things go fast. I did get a Nordic ware. These are usually pretty good, anywhere from like $10 to $30 usually on average. And then I got the Villaware waffler. This would probably be $50, so for 15, not too bad at all. I think that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. So if you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll get into some comps.